Okay, I think we're recording. Hey everybody, I'm trying something new here. I'm recording this on my laptop because I want to use my phone in this demo. So hopefully this is going to work okay. But what I have here is, look at this. It's a cell phone stand. So we're going to try this thing out here. It is, I guess that's the brand MiiKARE. And it is a cell phone stand and it's black. It's the airplane travel one. But let's open this up and take a look and see how it works. So this is everything out of the box. And I guess, let's see. Oh, I guess it comes in different colors too. So these are all the different colors. That's kind of cool that you can get them in different colors as well. Here's the cell phone clamp information. And it looks like it's got the instructions right there. Hopefully y'all can see it. And continues on with more instructions if you need it. And the last page here. That's it. Okay, so let's give this thing a try and see how it works on my phone. So, it comes like this. Take it off of there. It's got some weight to it. I thought it was going to be just a cheap plastic thing, but I guess it's got some heavy dutiness. So let's see. So it clips up like this. Kind of cool. And then I guess the opening closing there, so I can put my phone in it. So let's see. Yes, it holds my phone. And then it's got this, which would clip onto like the back of the seat. So if you have a seat rest or something like that, you can just clip it onto that, and then it'll hold it there, and it'll hold your phone up. You can do it that way, or you could twist it around and do it this way if you wanted it to be down. So it could be down or up if you twist it around. So I just twist it and then do it. So it could be up or down. So very cool. Or pretty much any direction you want. So depending on what you clip it on, if you clip it on the tray this way, it'll be up that way. Or if you want it to be facing towards you while you do that, you can twist it this way. So, you know, on the back of the tray or wherever you want it. So it's kind of a cool little device that you can do for the airplanes, or you could clip it onto anything. I could clip it onto my desk right here. I don't know if you can see that. So I just have it clipped onto the desk. Boy, it's hard to see, but there, it's just clipped onto this. And oops, now I don't even see my picture anymore. Hold on one second. Where is it? Oh, there. Okay, so there. Now I can have it there. See? So very cool. So I can just unclip it from that, and it's just on a bungee thing, so it clips super easy. It's not like tied on for forever, but super cool, super nice. It's definitely not big enough to fit an iPad, but it'll fit an iPhone. And it's got the rubber on the inside here, so it holds it in there nice and safe and secure. So, and it's got this, I guess is the way you can go down if you want to do it by hand, but very cool. And then it folds up, super nice and convenient. Stick that in my little backpack, so when I take it on the plane next time, it's ready to go. So I'm going to say this is super cool. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.